Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have created, this is the component. The same component we are going to recreate it using NX. These are the steps I have followed to create this model. Now we'll recreate this model. For that, first go to the file, new, choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location, save OK. Now for easy explanation, just keep this software right side and model on the left side. Yes. First we'll start with this bottom one. Bottom plate. For that go to the sketch. Top plane. Say OK. Take a rectangle. Just create a rectangle. This height is 45 plus 26 plus 26 plus 21. So 47 plus 26 plus 26 plus 21. Say no, and this width is 25 plus 22 plus 25. Press the roller to confirm. This point to this point, this axis, make it symmetric, say yes. Similarly from here to the center line, say OK. Now we have made symmetric to both the lines. Then finish the sketch, extrude. Here we make it a symmetric value. The total extrusion thickness is 18 mm. Save OK. Now we have created this base plate. Then we will create this cylinder. For that go to the sketch. I am just choosing this front plane and save OK. Take a circle. Just simply create one circle. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify the diameter, which is 80. Say no, and the center distance from this cylinder to bottom is 96. From here to the bottom is 96 and this diameter is 80. Now just finish the sketch, extrude. Here we make it symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 44. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this cylinder also. Then we'll create this support plate at the bottom. For that go to the sketch. Same front plane we can take. Save OK. Just take a simple rectangle. Just create one rectangle. This point. Just connect with the circle as a coincident constraint, and this width distance is 48. Now just go for the finish sketch, then go to extrude. Here we make it symmetric value, here we make it unite. The total extrusion length is 26. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this also. Then we just want to make a combine. For that go to unite, select this object as well as select this object, save OK. Now we made unite. Then just go for creating this feature. For that go to the sketch, take this right plane, save OK. Now just use your roller to zoom your object. Then take a circle. It is center only. Just create one simple circle. The diameter of the circle is, here they have given radius. The diameter will be 30. Say no. And the center distance from here to the bottom is, they have given 144. 144. Press the roller to confirm. Then take a simple line. Just take this line. Here you can see the center point. Just stop it here. Press the roller to confirm. Similarly here take it line here and close the line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. And this distance is, here you can see, it's a tangent line. This one is the vertical line. Yes. Simply just trim this unwanted edges. Then close it. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Here you make it a symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 27 plus 4 plus 27. 27 plus 4 plus 27. Unite. See, OK. Now we have created this feature also. Now in this component we have created all the material addition feature. Then we go for the material remove feature. First I am going to start with this bigger cut. For that go to the sketch. Select the surface. Say OK. Take a circle. Just create a circle. The diameter of the circle is 48. Say no. Then take a small rectangle, which is corner rectangle. Just create a rectangle. Here this point and this circle are in coincident constraint. Now specify the thickness. The thickness is 4 mm, which is 4. And this height, you just give it some 50. Now remove the unwanted edges. Go to trim this one and this one. Then close it. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here we make it subtract. Here we make it until next. Just say OK. Just hide this sketch also. Now we have created this cut. Then we'll create this hole. For that, take this hole command. Just rotate it here. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. Here the diameter is 12 mm. Normal to the face throughout the body. Just say OK. Now we have created this hole also. Then we just want to create this cut. For that, just go to the sketch. Select the surface. Say OK. Take a line. Here. And here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Just specify the value. Just make these two lines are construction line. Take a circle. First take a rectangle. Just simply create one rectangle. From here to here the distance is 21. And this distance is 12. And make this as a symmetric to the center one. And make arc which is center and ends here, here and here. Similarly center point here and here. Press the roller to confirm. Now just go to the trim. Trim this one, trim this one. Now just go to the dimension. From here to here, the dimension is 22. Now make a symmetric here and this one symmetric. Just say OK. From here to here, which is not this one, is 20. Now take from here to here, which the dimension is 21, and this dimension is 22, and from here to here the dimension is 12. This radius we need to specify it as R6. Similarly this radius is R6. Now every dimension we have specified. Just go for the finish sketch. Then extrude. Change the direction. Here we make it until next. Subtract. Say OK. Now we have created one cut in this direction. the same cut has to be done in this direction. For that, choose this extrude 14, go for the mirror feature. If you don't have this mirror feature command in here, just go to the menu, insert, and here there is a option called associate copy. Here choose mirror feature, select this feature is 14, select the plane which is existing plane, zoom it here, this plane. Here you see the object is going to create here, just say OK. Now we have created the object here also. Just right click here, orient view, isometric view. Now we have created all the features. In that we have finished this component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.